Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just me today again, and I'm going to be making a purse for your Valentine. So you need some stuffing, a hot glue gun, sewing material, scissors, and a pencil. And you need 2 red felts and 2 pink felts. So, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. So, we're going to take 2 pieces of felt here. Now we're going to sew them together with this pink one. So then, we're going to leave one space open. We're going to put some of this stuffing in it. I just took 3 in case, depending on how much fits in it. Then, I'm going to sew that together with the stuffing in it. Then you see, I'm going to take these 2, make a heart out of it, put it on it. So now let's get started. So right now, I just cut a long piece of thread for my pillow sewing. And you really need a long piece because you're going to put these together like that. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your very tip here. You're going to take the needle, which has the really small tip. So this might take a while, but it's easy to make practice. Practice is perfect. But before you do that, when you cut it, you have little squiggly lines over it. A little pieces of teensy little threads sticking out, and you don't like that. So you would cut it just like that. Then you're going to take the thread and try and put it in the needle. Yes. So then you're going to take it like this. Piece right. That's good. Until you get even with your thread. Like that. Okay, now tie it. So lick your finger a little bit. Check it. This might take a while for me. But hopefully not for you. Oops. Just like that, wrap it around your finger. Put this in there. No. Got it. So you'll have a tiny knot. You might have to do this polish for a long time, but it's worth it. I like that one. So now I have my knot down here. I'm gonna start sewing. I'm not an expert at sewing. I started like a few months ago, but I love it. This one and the last one. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your pink felt, set this one aside. Make sure it's lined up perfectly. Just like that. Then you're gonna take this. You're going to go in and out. In. And you're going to come here. There. Just like that. You want to try and make it the same size. I may not be that good, but I'm trying. It's about a good size. So this might take a while, so we're just going to skip on. So then you're going to keep on sewing until you get all the way over here. So now you have your stitches. I'll try my best. Then you're going to do it 2 more times, right here and right here. And then we'll leave this space open to put in our fillings. So let me start sewing. Give me them stuffy tips. Whoop. Yes, I'm a good catcher. Yes. Ow. Okay, so now I showed all them sides. Yes, my God. Then what you're gonna do might be a hard little part. You're gonna take the inside and fold it inside out. Just like this. So now you're gonna have something like this. I can get this egg out. Trying to get this as straight as I can. Then you'll have something like this. That's awesomely cool. Just now take my stuff and fluffy thing. They're so soft. Now stuff them. That number 1. Number 2. See if I can fit number 3. Yes! Sorry for the coughing in the background. Christopher's just has the coughs. So here we go. Then you have something like this. Then we're gonna take your thread again and start sewing. Oh, this is not a long piece. What's wrong with me? That's not bad eyesight. Spaghetti. That's stringy. I love spaghetti. My mom is the best. So I got my thread in. Now I'm gonna sew the last piece on my pillar. Or pillow. Going big stitch. I want to do some big stitches. Big stitch. So when I was about 8 years old, that's when my mommy taught me how to sew. It was so pokey. I kept poking my fingers. It hurt. But then I went on my own. My mama's strong, mama. Strong, mama. Oop. Poke myself again. So yeah, my mama only taught me once how to do it, but then I just loved it so much, I keep on doing it, and then next thing you know, the lesson I learned is that you poke your finger too much. But I still love it though. Nice. Try not to poke my finger. Okay, hurt. I feel like I need to go to the hospital when I poke my finger. But I don't need to. My mommy rubs it and kisses my boo-boos. Even though it's weird, she's still kissing my boo-boos. Keep sewing, keep sewing, keep sewing. See, I keep sewing. So here we go. I finished my pillow. Now we're gonna put some embellishment. But first, I have my hot glue gun warming up here for feminine toes, and I got this from Michaels. Everything that I got from Michaels except for my pencil and my scissors and the thread and needle. So first, I'm gonna draw a nice heart that should probably land here on this corner. And no worry, people, I have eyeballs. I can see where I'm going. So now I've got my heart drawn. You don't have to use a pencil because it might be too light to see. So you can use a thin marker or something. But I'm just going with the flow. And I'm gonna cut my heart out. That is like a lot. So I'm gonna sing my song. Snippity snip snip, snip snip, snippity snip snip, snip. Snipping my heart. Now I'm gonna take my glue gun. I'm gonna go behind here and I'm gonna glue gun this to the back. And be careful. Parent supervision. Really hot. Mean it. You don't want this on you. It's really hot. So I'm trying to be as careful as possible. Taking my scissors, cutting it out. No, gone. So there we got our first heart. We're gonna make that cool down. Then gonna turn on the back and do the same thing. So I'm gonna do the last heart, and I'm trying not to put too much glue. Something like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Carefully puts it on to my finger. So now we're gonna put our last embellishments on it. So we got frills, or ribbon frills. And my mama gonna help me, cause she my helper. So before I do that, I just went to the giant store and I saw this in my way because I love teddy bears. And I want you guys to comment down below if you think this will be a great present for my teachers. Isn't that adorable? So we're gonna put frills on all sides, and now let's get to hot gluing. Squeeze, go go. have to put it on.
For 15 seconds. Now I got my frills. There's my frills.
So here we go, my beautiful pillow with some frills. Then now we're gonna take these and stick them in the corner. So let's get right on to it. Hot glue gun. So you need to be really quick because these, they dry really quick in 15 seconds. So be quick. Like Speedy Gonzales. Oh, my mommy always tells me. Be quick and Speedy Gonzales. Oh no, we're out of glue. So now you put on this corner. Embellishments are coming out great. Now for the last one is this tiny cute clear one. It's so shiny. So let's quickly do this. There we go. Embellishments are soon. Oh no! Complete. Oh, now it's finished. My embellishments. I love my pillow. So here's the final of my pillow. A quick look around. And that was my arts and crafts from Michael's Materials. Now have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day. Subscribe, press that bell notification, comment down below if you think that teddy bear is a good gift for my teacher. Now I'm going to sleep. I'm back, guys, and I just had to tell you something. Use 4 fillings because mine have a big old bump right here, and it is huge, and I don't like it. So go use 4 if you want yours to be picture perfect. Bye.